Today is Wednesday, the 13th of March. So, yeah, check out the wind. It's crazy, y'all. Look at my hair. It's all everywhere because of the wind. You like that wind, Riley? It's windy, huh? Real windy. Yeah. He's on a no talking thing right now. Woo-wee. 75 mile an hour winds today. Constant 40 to 50 with 75 mile an hour gusts. Man, can't get nothing done with wind like this. But I can show y'all how crazy windy it is. So I thought I'd show you that. And Mom, she called me just a second ago. She's driving Amarillo from, I think, Brownwood or something like that. Anyway, she says she's seeing highway signs blown down on the side of the road. And you look at these, look at this. I mean, look at those lines just going crazy. Absolutely nuts. That's crazy. You see that thing just wobbling and just nuts, man. Absolutely insane. Going on. Trucks getting pushed around. It's a big truck. It's hard pushing today. I mean, that's some wicked wind right there. I'm just cruising this neighborhood. And I gotta go meet a guy about a job, but so as I'm driving to this house, you can see this dang tree done got blowed over. I want to get off of this street before any more trees blow over. Look at that. I mean, it just blew it right out the ground. Crazy, 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 crazy. I know, I just get the sky. Oh, it's crazy. All that dust coming in. The wind finally died down because there's nice little fronts coming in. Get those clouds. Definitely some crazy winds today. It sustained, what was it, like 3 hours straight of constant 58 miles an hour. That's pretty crazy winds. Crazy winds. I just wanted to share this with all you guys. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up. Appreciate you guys watching. And we'll get back to building and getting that garden going here pretty quick. You guys take care. Have a good day. Good week. We'll see you next time. Out here, ain't got no rain, but got a lot of fog.